Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add a Google account to your Android device. Whether you're setting up a new phone or just adding another account, this guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started right away. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Users and Accounts or Accounts depending on your phone model. Then tap on Add Account at the bottom of the screen. After that, select Google from the list of available account types. Now, enter your email address, tap Next, then enter your password and tap Next again. Once you've signed in, read and accept the terms and conditions. Finally, your Google account will be successfully added. You can manage sync options such as Gmail, contacts, and calendar from the account settings. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have questions.